In Premiere Pro, how to export or how to get an image from a video, right? In Premiere Pro. So we have a video here, right? Let's play it. Now if you want this one, particular this section as an image, right? If you want to export it as an image, then you are seeing here export frame. Shortcut key is Control Shift plus E, right? Just click it and you'll see here this is the name of the image, right? So give it test, test, and you can choose the format, PNG, JPEG, BMP, right? For now let it be PNG, and you can choose the path to save the image. Right now it is set to C users MSI downloads. If you want to change the path, then click this browse and change the path, right? So do OK. Now you will get the image. Now let me import the image. Let's go to do double click here and then go to downloads, and then you can see the image here, test. Just double click it and we got the image here. You can see here this is the image, right? So stay tuned for next tips in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching.